shosho vesiyo sesibadana eshashaza nto ake sikhulumeni ngale bafethu ake sikhulumeni ngeZimbabwe. iZimbabwe bafethu, let's be honest, iZimbabwe has been so good to us. Let's be honest. iZimbabwe has been so good to us. Majority abantu baseZimbabwe, yes, it may happen that bakhona ababhedana but nah, come on guys. And ungizwa kwayisho nayo lento aphambili wathi hayi leli qiniso singesibalekele ngeZimbabwe. Abantu noma chazana neMozambique kodwa nje washo what kodwa ngisayikhumbula kahle iZimbabwe. They have been so good to us. There is room for negotiation for Zimbabwe. And bafethu ngilesi isikhohlisana. Labantu labana imost yabo ay. Imost abina amaphepha, imost yabo ngiyazubathole beganga. OT, like they doing like decent jobs. Let's be honest. Angazothi kuthina umphana wakho ufuna ukudedana lensizwa waseZimbabwe nayo isikhulumele parties ngenza ukuthi let's be realistic. Let's be realistic for once.
Hayi ngiyalibingelela lonke bafethu. Sisi Jacinta nawe Phakela Umthakathi nongizwe. Ngiyalibulisa ngiyalibingelela nonke bafowethu. And ngithanda nje ukuthi ngithi mina I am from Zimbabwe. Ngingumntaka Mzilikazi kaMashobana. AkaNduba, kaLotshe, kaLobhengula. Kasoshanga, ayikasoshanga ka Mzilikazi. Kashabalala. Sidabuka le KwaZulu. Sikhamba KwaZulu. Sesiphila la eZimbabwe kuBulawayo. Mfowethu Phakela Umthakathi. Nawe Sis Jacinta. Into eniyenzayo right. Ngize eGoli 1991. Nginomfowethu sowashona. Udade wabo unikezwe ama drugs ngama Nigeria. Why is it Thailand? I think yakuse Thailand lapha afela khona. Bathi ha wena ngowesonto bekungumfundisi lo muntu lo, a pastor, a church pastor. Kodwa besenza izidakamizwa. Wathatha lo sisi lo wathi uzoya esontweni Nigeria, wathi Brazil, engazi lo sisi ukuthi uthwaliswa ama drugs. Wabanjwa nama drugs eThailand, death sentence 93-92 bambulala eThailand. Ngiyamazi lo sisi uToko. Why? Ngabantu bokufika ama Nigeria baza nama drugs eSouth Africa. What you are doing, Jacinta, nawe Phakela Umthakathi longizwe. Ngesilungu bathi bona, if what you are living for is not worth dying for, is not even worth living for. Uma into iphilela ungazimiselanga ukuthi ikubulale, that thing is not even supposed to be lived for. Uyabona iSouth Africa iphelile bafowethu. Let's be honest. That country is dying because of drugs. 1991 be ingekho le nonsense eseyibola. Jamestown, Beria, Springs, Pretoria, Soshangube, you can name it, Durban, KwaMashu, bengekho lento yonke le. But abantu bokufika, they've infested South Africa with drugs. eZimbabwe besingawazi ama drugs. KoBulawayo besingazi ama drugs. Aze ngabantu bokufika eNigeria. And mina ngithi mina ngithi bafowethu, let's try to find common ground labantu bakobulawayo. Asibona abantu abahamba izidakamizwa. Siza nje eGoli uzosebenzela. Yebo kunabagangayo bakhona. But kabangene ijele. Bantu bakobulawayo bafowethu. Into enziwa ngabo Jacinta. Into enziwa ngabo Phakela Mthakathi. Naye wonke umuntu oyenza akwenza about abahambe. They're doing a good thing for the future of that country. I can't picture what I am seeing. Ngibone le video yakho mfowethu Phakela Mthakathi when you were showing drug addicts and you were praying. I cried. I cried, literally I cried. Why? Nino Mendeza. I conscience yami yangitshela ukuthi what you are doing the right thing. And continue. Even if it means causing chaos but you are doing the right thing. We cannot allow decay in the society because of abantu bokufika. You know, ubona ngokwabo. You know, I remember in 1992, mbona beshaya omunye okufika oweNigeria bamshaya. Ngathi why bamshaya bathi thina ale Nigeria sizokunikeza ama drugs wena ukuthi waphuze udakwe. Thina singabona umuntu oweNigeria ewathatha siyamshaya ngoba they are bad. But bafuna abantwana bethu Zimbabweans and South Africans ukuthi babe ngama addicts. Have you ever seen these problems among bona eAbuja ukuthi wakwazi ukuthi kune problem yama drug? Ayikho. Because they know that drugs are not good for the mind of a young person. But baza nawo ukuthi and thina sithi Phakela Mthakathi Jacinta kwasha kwacima. You are doing the right thing. Keep it up.